2025 Acura TLX Type S PMC Edition, Hand-Built Precision. Acura TLX Type S, 2025 TLX PMC Edition, Hand-Built Acura, Performance Sedan, Precision Crafted Performance, Limited Edition, Acura Luxury, YouTube Buzz. Acura has once again raised the bar in the luxury performance sedan segment with the reveal of the 2025 Acura TLX Type S PMC Edition. Hand-built at the brand's world-renowned Performance Manufacturing Center, PMC, in Ohio, this exclusive edition continues Acura's tradition of blending precision craftsmanship with track-bred engineering. Designed to highlight both performance and exclusivity, the TLX Type S PMC Edition is poised to become one of the most desirable models in Acura's lineup. Hand-built excellence. The hallmark of the PMC Edition is its meticulous assembly process. Each vehicle is built by master technicians at the same facility responsible for the Acura NSX supercar, ensuring unmatched attention to detail. From paint application to final inspection, the process reflects Acura's philosophy of precision crafted performance. The 2025 TLX Type S PMC Edition stands out with exclusive paint finishes, colors inspired by the NSX, such as Long Beach Blue Pearl, Cover Red, and 130R White. Each car receives hand-polished treatments and a clear coat resistant to micro-scratches, guaranteeing showroom brilliance for years to come. Performance DNA. Under the hood, the TLX Type S PMC Edition packs the same 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine found in the standard Type S, delivering 355 horsepower and 354 lb-ft of torque. Paired with Acura's super handling all-wheel drive (SHAWD) system and a sport-tuned 10-speed automatic transmission, the PMC Edition delivers sharp handling, confident cornering, and powerful acceleration. The model also includes lightweight NSX-inspired Y-spoke wheels, performance tires, and carbon fiber exterior accents to reduce weight and enhance aerodynamics. These upgrades elevate both form and function, making the TLX PMC Edition not just a luxury sedan but a serious driver's machine. Interior exclusivity. Inside, the 2025 TLX Type S PMC Edition offers a refined cabin with exclusive leather and Alcantara upholstery, contrast stitching, and carbon fiber trim. A hand-assembled plaque with the vehicle's unique serial number proudly marks each unit's individuality. Acura has emphasized both driver engagement and passenger comfort, with features such as sport seats, a customizable digital display, and premium audio from ELS Studio 3D. YouTube Buzz and Achievements. The TLX Type S PMC Edition has already made waves on YouTube, where reveal videos, walkarounds, and reviews have collectively drawn millions of views. The buzz began with Acura's earlier PMC models, such as the NSX and RDX PMC Edition, which became highly sought after and generated viral attention online. Automotive influencers and enthusiasts have praised Acura's strategy of combining supercar-level craftsmanship with an attainable luxury sedan. Videos showcasing the meticulous hand-built process inside the PMC facility have also captivated viewers, highlighting the artistry and engineering behind every model. A collector's dream. With limited production numbers, the 2025 Acura TLX Type S PMC Edition is destined to become a collector's gem. It symbolizes Acura's ability to fuse heritage, craftsmanship, and high performance into one distinctive package. For enthusiasts, the PMC Edition isn't just another luxury sedan, it's a statement of Acura's engineering excellence and a reminder that precision hand craftsmanship still matters in the modern automotive world.